Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we're going to be opening boxes with surprises. And you can open this first. Yellow box with yellow string.
I don't know.
What do you think it has in it? Do we know? Move this out of the way so you can see. Oh my god.
There's nothing.
No, there is something. A teddy bear. It can't be. It's one and only squishy teddy bear.
I'm going it. It's my bad.
Okay. We'll go to the next one.
And this one. And my center of the Randalls. Teddy, my favorite.
Oh, look! The bumblebee came out of nowhere! Yes, he also has he has wheels, so he goes the road.
And some.
Okay, let's watch him in action. Let's move everything out of the way.
These are my
Beep! Ah!
Okay.
Bumblebee, Bumblebee, rescue.
My turn. I can see something. It's a car.
No, it's not a car. Oh no, I don't think it. No, it can't be. It's another thing with a teddy bear. It's a car with a teddy bear. Big Bird's car. With
It's
a teddy
actually
bear in the back.
Elmer's.
No, that's Big Bird. That's Big Bird.
Mine's string.
Big
That's
Bird.
yours, and this is mine. That's yours, this is mine. And that's
Yours.
Wait, these are three?
That's there.
That's big.
And now you
Big
can dun dun dun. Here.
It's also squishy.
Dun, 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 dun. It vibrates a lot when it goes like that.
What's this?
Car spinner. It's a spinning car. Oh my god. It's broken. Let's go to the next one. Go back. Ah, ah. It's yellow shit. What's inside it? Do we know? Do we know? It's a jet boat. It's so heavy. It can transform into. I do not know. A backpack. And then it's a jet boat. It's from Diego. Or Dora the Explorer, which is from Diego. And then, yeah.
My turn.
And he also goes on wheels.
I get two.
No, I think this is a car and then this is a jet boat. It's and then yeah.
Okay, now it's my
Okay.
turn.
Bang! And then the other way. Ah! Ah!
My turn.
Jet boat. What is she gonna get? Do we know? Oh my god! It's another square. It's another square. What could it be? Do we know? We got Mrs. Sunshine.
I get one more.
Mrs. Sunshine. Yeah, Mrs. Sunshine from Mr. Bumpy. I think that's the name of the show. I don't know.
I can tell you something. It's cold. It's cold.
What's in it? Oh, it's a cheetah. It's an animal, fastest animal in the
I got two more.
world on ground, and that's a McDonald toy.
McDonald toy.
Yeah.
What's a McDonald?
Why not? Okay.
My turn.
Let's see. It goes back again. Yeah, it does. So let's move this this out of the way for a while. And let's do this.
Bingo!
Go fast. Ah!
My turn.
Hello.
My turn.
I'm off with
My turn.
this. Let's do this one more time. You better run faster. Ah!
My turn.
So one more time. Well, this time you go there. Bang! And okay. Okay, let's open it. Na, na, na. Da, da, da. Hey. Open this. The scene is set for the last one. No, not the last one. Well, there's one more. It's a car. It's a monster truck. Not really. It's a Jeep car that has like glass everywhere.
I know what
It's a
to
City
do.
Park Hot Wheels car.
Can I show you something? Let me. Now let's come to the
Okay, let's open the next one. Open the next one. Open the next one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What is in this? And it's the last one. What is in it?
It's got 2 toys.
Two toys. Bum, ba-dum, da-dum.
I like this.
That's from
Minnie Mouse.
oh yeah, Mickey Mouse. I'm pretty sure. I don't know what that's from because I've never seen it, but I know the other one is from Mickey Mouse, and that one also has roller skates, so I think it goes fast everywhere. And the other one is from Mickey Mouse, the postman. Ducky.
Can I have that?
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video and see you in the future. Bye.